Have you ever heard the word Batares? See, as I grow up, I often hear this to the elders when they're talking about building someone's home or cooking for someone's wedding, cooking for someone's birthday. They often say this word Batares. And I didn't have any idea of what it is. Then I came to my mother to ask this question. What does Batares means? And she answered, it's working for free. And I was stumbled and shook and who the works for free? And she said to me that it's another form of bayanihan. Because if you're the one that needed help, they will help you back. And then I dig deeper. I browse in the internet on what does Batares means. And there are few definition of Batares. Some of it says that it's about helping others, it's about the bayanihan, and the word came from Central Luzon, but in what particular area of Central Luzon? And now I'm still wondering, what do you think? Do you know where the word Batares came from?